Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to your channel Love Allah. Today I am going to discuss the health benefits of date. By now you all are excited, right? So without a further delay, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Date palm tree is called nakhal. The fruit is called tamar in Arabic. The date palm mentioned more than any other fruit bearing plant in the Quran. It is a symbol often associated with Islam and Muslims. Throughout the month of Ramadan, dates are a common ingredient in the Muslim diet. According to Hadith, the Messenger, peace be upon him, said, Ajwa dates are from paradise. It was stated in Al Tirmidhi. Ajwa is one of the excellent varieties of dates grown in Medina region. In Surah Maryam of the Holy Quran, Allah provided Prophet Isa's peace be upon him, Mother Maryam, peace be upon her, with fresh dates when she was experiencing discomfort and pain during the final stages of her pregnancy. Shake the trunk of the palm towards you, and fresh, ripe dates will drop upon you. It was stated in Surah Maryam, verse 25. The significance of the date palm as a source of nutrition and sustenance is evident in the statement narrated by Ibn Umar. May Allah be pleased with him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, There is a tree among the tree which is similar to Muslim in goodness, and that is the date palm tree. It was stated in Al Bukhari. In another hadith, the Prophet stressed the importance of dates as a major food item, saying, People in a house without dates are in a state of hunger. It was stated in Muslim. The excellence of date palm is also referred to in the following verse of the Holy Quran. And in the earth are tracks, neighboring the gardens of vines and fields sown with corns and palm trees, growing out single roots of the otherwise watered them with some water, yet some of them we make more excellent than other to eat. Behold, verily in these things there are signs of those who understand. It was stated in Surah Al-Rad verse 4. The date is also referred to in the Holy Quran as one of the blessings that would be offered in paradise. In several traditions, the Prophet ate dates with some other fruits and vegetables. Abdullah ibn Jafar, may Allah be pleased with him, said the messenger ate cucumber with dates. It was stated in Al Tirmidhi. According to two other traditions recorded by Al Tirmidhi, the Prophet ate dates with watermelon and muskmelon. The Prophet, peace be upon him, also taught his disciples that the date was not only an antidote to poison but also an effective defense against black magic. Whoever eats 7 dates of high land of Medina in the morning will not be hurt by poison or sorcery on that day. It was stated in Bukhari. In another hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, exhorted the believers that you should defend yourself from the hellfire even with a piece of date. It has also been reported that the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to put choose dates or honey into the mouths of newborn babies. What do you think about these benefits? Drop your opinion in the comment box. I welcome you all to take part in it. I will see you with some new episodes of exciting benefits. Till then, thanks for watching the video.